Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we have free surprises. Well, I guess today we got free Hot Wheels mystery packs. So today I bought free. I went to Walmart, bought some, and I got some. But the point is, I got all these ones. I didn't really get anything good, but guys, I went to Walmart. I bought one, and you can't believe what I got. I literally got the Lamborghini again. Look at that. I finally got it. I'm so excited. It's even got the French flag too. So yes, let's get these cars off of this here. And also I forgot to show you, I also have this car and this car. They're the same too. I like this one more though. But yeah, I even got, these two are the same too. But yeah, let's just put them together. And yeah, let's just get this one here. Here is the Lamborghini. I really love the French flag. Oh my god, there's a motorcycle outside. Okay, but so I really... Do you mind? Okay, there we go. But so... Come on. But so, I really like this car. It's got like a pretty good design with the red interior. It's even got the French flags too going down the car. It's even got a black color and also the white rims with the kind of old-fashioned kind of thing. But yeah, it's even got the engine at the back and spoiler. But yeah. So stop it. There you go. Okay, this time I learned my lesson. And also, wait, guys, I forgot. It'll even come with the sticker, too. It's really nice. In the background, it is black. And it's even got the gold Hot Wheels logo with some white and red kind of surrounding the Hot Wheels logo. And even, it's got like a white background. And also in the back, it's even got this little French flag going through. It's pretty nice. I like it. So, yeah, all the other ones are here. But, yeah, put this one next here. But yeah, this is my skill. What I do is I feel the car. So we might get a Toyota Supra today. So yeah, let's open them. Okay, let's see. Oh, I actually don't know what this one is, but still, so let's take a look at these. Oh, actually, never mind. This is, I know this car. I knew this was not going to be a Toyota Supra, but still. Let's just get this car, put it here. But yeah. Okay, this car, it's kind of got a weird shape, and I thought it would be a Toyota Supra. It's got a really big spoiler, and it's even got a nice kind of luxury blue. It's even got like some logos on the side, some orange shiny rims, and also a big interior inside too. That's kind of yellowish and goldish a little bit, and the car looks like it's gonna go really fast. And also, I like this window here. And even in the back, I just noticed there is an engine that has a lot of mufflers on the back. But yeah. This one's even got a big spoiler that I really like, and it has the number 7 on it. But yeah, this car's not too bad, you know. One left. Okay, let me just... Here are the cars. So yeah, let's just get this. We don't need it. We already got one. We got 2 stickers. Get them out of the way. Hopefully don't go Lamborghini or another one. Guys, we got another Lamborghini. Look at this. Bruh, it's another Lamborghini. Look, we got another one. Look at that. We got 2 Lamborghini, guys. Look at this. This is crazy. We got 2. Holy moly, smack-a-moly. But yeah, guys, we got 2 of them. Look at that. They're like exactly the same. But yeah, look at them. We don't even need to put them on the rotator because I already, showed them. But yeah, we got like a few stickers now. So guys, pray this one is going to be the Toyota Supra. Oh, are you serious? Oh, I didn't, it's not, really? Okay, now we got 2 of these. But yeah, guys, we got 2. I'm so sad. I thought it was a Toyota Supra because the point is, I thought this was like the front of the Toyota Supra. Because if you can see, I felt inside the package. I thought it was this part here, but I was so dumb. I even thought the spoiler was the car though. This is the 7th car in the set. Like, I don't get it. How come I haven't got this one or like that one? I don't know, but still, guys. We didn't really find anything that much. We just found these 3 cars, but yeah. Now I got a lot of stickers though. So okay, look, I got 2 of each stickers now. Yay! Got a lot. It's like money. But yeah, we got a lot of junk over here. But yeah, guys, because let me just try to sort something out. But let me just try to think something out. There we are. There you go, guys. And also the stickers too. We got very fancy. But yeah, guys, this is the end of the video. I got a lot of maps, you know, so I'm just gonna get these maps and put them here. That's where I mostly put them. Got a lot of them. But yeah, guys, this is the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Share, like, comment. I have a game channel. Like and subscribe. Comment, share with your friends. And also, guys, hope you have a good day. Remember, stay poppin'. Why did I say that? And also, hit the notification bell. And bye-bye. And also, I was expecting to get a Tiger Super, but I guess my trick did not work.